What is good, you guys? Shawan, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. My name is Hlu Lanie and you are about to subscribe. So today's video is how I wash and treat my 5-year-old wig. Guys, this wig has been through a lot. So I did post a short where I am just washing a wig, but I'm going to tell you guys again on this one because this is not a short. So I first start by rinsing my wig and just detangling it. As you can see, that is what I'm doing. Before I go in with the shampoo, I'm just removing all the tangles. Guys, this wig was so tangled. It literally took me 30 minutes just to remove all the tangles and whatever that was happening in this wig. I haven't worn this wig this year. Yeah, it's been like 8 months now and I haven't worn this wig. So I start by rinsing it and just removing all the tangles, and then I go in with the Revlon shampoo. I'm going to show you guys the shampoo at the end, towards the end of this video, so please just continue watching. And then after, I'm just going to scrub the hair and just do it just like that, and also go in with a brush, just wash it, wash it. Yeah, I'm just going to continue washing. As you can see, that's a lot of shampoo because this hair really needed this shampoo, you know. You'll see a clip where the hair is sort of like coming back to life. I'll show you in just a bit. Yeah, so this is the clip. As you can see, the shine is almost coming back, but you have to continue washing again before rinsing. So now I'm just showing you guys the shedding, the amount of hair that shedded or whatever. Yeah, and then now I'm just rinsing the hair, and as I'm rinsing, I'm also brushing the hair just to further remove any tangles and shedded hair, whatever. So now I'm applying a conditioner, and I just let the conditioner sit in the hair. Oh, marinate the hair. So that's the conditioner, and I'm going to show you the shampoo just now. This is the shampoo that I used. It's by Revlon Flex. And then I let the hair sit there with the shampoo marinating or whatsoever, soaking in the conditioner for like an hour, because, well, I think I did more than an hour, but yeah, because this hair really needed this. So I just let it sit in the sink just like that, and then after that I'm going to rinse and I'm going to come back the next morning. Okay, so the next morning I go in with some heat protector spray, and then I also go in with the Tresemme smooth oil, just to apply. I just applied the oil on all over the hair, along with the heat protectant spray, and then I just blow dry my hair. And then after that, I'm going to straighten the hair because this hair was still wet. I don't know why, but I left it overnight, and this was around 10 o'clock and the hair was still wet. So I had to use a blow dryer just to dry the hair. But if the hair was dry, I wouldn't have used the hair dryer. I would just went and used what is it, a straightener. So now I'm just going to go in with a straightener, but I really didn't have to go in with a straightener because already the hair was straightened. So just because I wanted to wear the hair today, so I had to go in with a straightener and just style the hair according to however style that I wanted. But yeah, basically I'm done treating my hair. I don't put a lot of products on my hair. Yeah, just the marula oil on itself does the job for me. So yeah, this is the hair. Now I'm just showing you. As you can see, the hair is old, guys, but look at that bouncing baby. Okay, guys. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.